Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Destination of Flavors. Today I am here to show you my new recipe video Methi chicken.
Wow, it looks so delicious, na? So let's check out the recipe. Roughly chop 250 grams of fresh methi leaves and keep aside. For masala paste, soak almond and cashew nuts into hot water for at least 30 minutes. Discard the skin of almonds and put into a mixer grinder. Add 8 to 10 cloves big garlic. Add plain curd and water as required. Make a smooth paste. Take 800 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Add Kashmiri red chili powder and prepared masala paste. Mix very well. Add ginger paste and 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix properly and marinate for at least 1 hour. Heat 3 tablespoons white oil into a pan. Add butter and methi dana. Fry for a minute. And discard all fried methi danas. Now add darchini, choti ilaichi and long. Add crushed black pepper or kali mirch. Fry for a minute. Now add sliced onion. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until light brown. Add chopped methi leaves and keep aside the remaining chopped methi leaves. Now fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add marinated chicken pieces. And mix well. Now add coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and mix well. Salt to taste. Add remaining marinated masala. Now cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, add slitted green chilies and cover for another 15 to 20 minutes until oil separates from the masalas. For tempering, heat 1 tablespoon butter into another pan. Add chopped garlic. Fry for a minute. Add remaining methi leaves. Fry until crisp. Add this masala into the chicken and mix together. Add pinch of sugar and mix. Now add roasted kasuri methi and homemade garam masala powder. Mix properly. Keep it a standing time for 5 minutes. Delicious methi chicken is ready to serve. Serve the methi chicken with 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream on the top. Don't forget to provide your valuable feedback in comment section.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will back soon with my new recipe video. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy.